Pagan Travel Channel. Currently we are in Parque de las Cavernas de Camuy. These are amazing caves, caverns here in Camuy, Puerto Rico. And we're gonna see them. I've only been here, I believe, one time and I was a child. So this is brand new to me, honestly. And I'm very, very happy and very excited to be here. So let's go check it out. So tickets are going to be $18 for adults, and if you're from 4 to 12, you're going to pay $13. Anything lower than 4 years old is going to be free. So. Helmets are mandatory when you go down. If you are a senior citizen or parents with an infant, they can actually bring you down in one of these right behind me. These golf carts. Or UTVs, and they'll bring you down, so it's pretty cool. Us men, we gotta do the walk, and my wife as well. By the way, you will be hiking and you will be sweating. This is about an hour and a half tour, so you need to be ready for this. Going up cliffs. Oh yeah, the humidity in the cave, or caves or caverns, it's pretty high, so you gotta bring water, you gotta be ready to go. What do you got there?
Jengibre.
Ginger?
Yeah.
Ginger plant?
I'm trying to smell the ginger, but I smell dirt more than anything right now.
Interesting.
Yeah. Esa la hembra.
But this one's the guy, this is the skinny one.
If the leaves are turned over, that means that there's bad weather coming into the area. Pretty interesting.
It's like if we're in Jurassic Park.
Yeah. So finally we are done with the tour. We just have to walk back up. That's the only bad part. So keep in mind, all of you, like I said before, if you have knee issues, health issues, you gotta bring water, you gotta be prepared. And also, if you could arrange for the UTVs to take you all the way down to the cave and back up, that'd be the best thing to do. But for us, we are the last ones in line, so we're doing the hike. And you guys already know I love hikes. I do like these lamps that actually are growing the moss right on the pole, so it's actually pretty cool. But hey, if you can, try to walk up last, so you can really get those shots that you couldn't in the beginning of the tour, and you can kind of like take pics all throughout the area. This is beautiful. I gotta tell you, it's one of the most beautiful things I've seen in my life, and I've gone to Puerto Rico way too much to not actually come to this park yet. So I'm very happy that I got to do it, and best of all, I got to do it with my family. So it's pretty awesome. For now, enjoy the last views of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so that way we can put these videos out there in the YouTube algorithm and everyone can enjoy this amazing content. Goodbye from beautiful Puerto Rico.
A dinosaur.